Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's video is an unboxing video. I am super excited to share this package with you. I am literally just in the door. It's just past 3 o'clock and there was this amazing huge parcel waiting for me. So if you'd like to see what I got in the post, please keep watching. I'm just gonna go and open up. I always love opening Pixi stuff. They always find it so well sealed. Oh wow! Pixi love the skin you're in skin treats. That is absolutely gorgeous. One of the things about Pixi's PR packages is the packaging is so amazing that I never throw any of it out, and I've got boxes of it lying about. Okay, so how does, oh, let's see what is inside. Look at this. Okay, Pixi Beauty is all about making you look and feel your most gorgeous self in a few fuss-free moments. Love the skin you're in. Take some me time to treat yourself. Which must-have mask will you enjoy today? Simply spin the dial to let the relaxation begin. Enjoy your Pixi me time. Okay, so in here we have got Depuff, Detox, Peel, Glow and Purify. And it's got a lovely little soft cloth with this. So in here the Depuff, this is the Pixi Detoxify Eye. So it's a depuffing eye patches. Oh my god, that's what every girl's dream is, a depuffing eye patches. Wow, ooh, look at this. This is just full of glossy, juicy gel. You can see in here the eye patches. I will just lift one up for you to see. And in here we've got Detox, we've got the Glow Mud Mask. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. And then we have Peel and Polish from Pixi is amazing. I already have this and it's such a lovely, if I can get it out. So this is the Peel and Polish. It's got little sort of fine beads. They're fine enough that they won't scratch or irritate your skin. So you just really gently rubbing this into your skin. You just leave that on your skin for about 2 minutes. And when you wash it off, your skin's going to feel really fresh and hydrated. We've got 3 glow masks. This is the Pixi Glow Glycolic Boost Mask. And we also have down here for Purify, we have the Pixi T-Zone Peel Off Mask. It says use this 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. Apply a thick even layer to your T-zone only and leave on until completely dry and then gently peel off. It's quite a gloopy. It's very gloopy in fact. It's like a sort of pearlescent light green shade. And then of course we've got a little cloth to wipe it all off. On the back here it says spin the wheel to pick your treat. My skin treat came up with Depuff, which is the eye patches in there. That's just determined not to stay in there, is it? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun unboxing this and I hope you had fun watching it while I unboxed. So until the next video guys, bye bye. What does it say here? Oh, I just dropped something. And there it falls out again. That little cloth is just determined not to stay in there. Ooh.